Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious lemon pickle, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of fresh, firm lemons, ensuring they are thoroughly washed and completely dry. For seasoning and preservation, have 100 grams of salt, 20 grams of turmeric powder, and 50 grams of red chili powder ready. These foundational elements are crucial for a flavorful and long-lasting pickle. Now, let's prepare our lemons. Carefully cut each lemon into 8 equal wedges, ensuring uniform pieces. It's important to remove all seeds during this step, as they can introduce a bitter taste to your finished pickle. Once cut, combine the lemon pieces with the measured salt and turmeric powder in a large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly, then transfer this mixture into a clean, dry glass jar, sealing it tightly. The curing process is vital for developing flavor. Let your lemon mixture cure for 5 to 7 days, shaking the jar gently once daily to ensure even distribution. After curing, it's time for the spices. Lightly roast and grind 20 grams of mustard seeds and 10 grams of fenugreek seeds. Add these freshly ground spices, along with your 50 grams of red chili powder and a small pinch of asafoetida, to the jar. Mix well. For an extra layer of flavor and preservation, you can optionally heat 100 milliliters of mustard oil until it smokes, then let it cool completely. Pour this cooled oil over your pickle mixture and stir thoroughly to combine everything. Transfer your delicious lemon pickle into an airtight, sterilized glass jar. Store it in a cool, dry place. Your homemade lemon pickle will be perfectly ready to enjoy in approximately 2 weeks, offering a delightful tangy and spicy kick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.